It's travel day! Welcome back to another Aaron and Todd series, guys. We are headed to Tampa, Florida to cruise on the cruise ship Margaritaville Islander. And this vlog series is special because it is featuring special guest appearances by Michaela. So the plan is we are in Lynchburg. We've got to drive down to Greensboro to catch our Delta flight GSO to Tampa with a layover in Atlanta. Why are we driving to Greensboro, you might ask? Well, because we had a companion certificate on Delta that we needed to use up. Greensboro was the nearest hub that had a decent rate to Tampa. Margaritaville Islander, the fourth sailing on this 20-year-old ship, the former Costa Atlantica. All right, made it to Greensboro Triad International Airport. Everybody's in tow, all the bags. All right, so we're gonna go in here and get checked in. Michaela's making friends in the bathroom.
Definitely hoping.
You're making friends in the bathroom?
I make friends everywhere.
Use code AaronandTodd10 to save on your next luggage purchase from Level 8. Links are in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. So what is a Delta Companion Certificate? When you hold a Delta Reserve or Platinum card, you receive a companion pass after each annual card renewal. It's basically a buy one, get one. The Platinum card limits you to main cabin seats, but the Reserve allows you to book up to first class. Yeah, thank you. How do you know if you have a companion certificate? You log into the Delta site, click your profile, click certificates, apply your certificate if available, and then continue to book your flight as usual. Bye, Monica. Bye. Yes, ma'am. We have links in the description to apply for the Delta branded cards issued by American Express. Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport is Georgia's largest employer, with over 63,000 workers who every day see 286,000 passengers that arrive and depart on 2,100 flights. Atlanta is within a 2-hour flight of 80% of the United States population. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hey, do you by chance have any trading cards?
I do have trading if you want us to.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Can you get one for me too?
It's 3 of us in a party, so if you've got...
I'm gonna come out. Oh, he wins.
Nice. Appreciate it, you guys. Thanks, take care.
Get him?
Hell yeah. Yay, we got trading cards. So you guys, when you fly Delta, remember to ask your captain or your first officer for trading cards, and they will give you one for the specific type of aircraft that you are on. All right, so we're just here trying to catch the train. We want to give a big thank you to Surfshark for being a supporter of this channel and in keeping our online identity safe with the best VPN on the internet.
If you don't know what a VPN is, it stands for a virtual private network, and it encrypts all the data between your computer and internet so that no one can steal your personal information. But a VPN can be used for more than just security.
What?
It can also be used to unlock content that isn't available in your area. It's super easy to change your virtual location of your computer and get access to a completely new content library.
If you're like us and you spend a lot of time using public Wi-Fi in places like hotels, airports, coffee shops, and even on cruise ships, those places can be a goldmine for hackers, and the best way to protect yourself is with a VPN. So if you don't have a VPN, we highly recommend Surfshark. We've been using it for over 2 years now, and it's the only VPN to offer one account for unlimited devices. You can use our link below to get the best VPN on the internet for as low as $2.19 a month, which represents 86% off a 2-year subscription, plus you're gonna get 3 additional months for free.
Try Surfshark for 30 days, and if it doesn't suit your needs, your trial comes with a money-back guarantee.
Thanks again to Surfshark for being a supporter of our channel.
Thank you, Surfshark!
All right, y'all, we're gonna roll up in the Delta Sky Club.
Yeah, this is the one we typically go to.
Oh, I wonder if Jerry's working.
Going up.
Going up. Not yet. Oh, it smells so nice. Access to this lounge is complimentary if you have the Delta SkyMiles Reserve card, the purple one, or the Platinum card, or the Black Centurion card from American Express, and are flying on a confirmed seat on a Delta flight. Guest fees are $50 per visit when accompanied by a card holder.
Thank you, Miss Crystal. Thank you. So see you next time.
Thank you. Yeah, take it. I'm getting food. Do you want food? Oh my God, look at this. Ricotta tortellini. Food and drinks are on the house. Oh, they've got some parme. Maybe some red pepper flakes.
Oh no.
Sandwich. Some pork al pastor. Hi, husband. So we can share. That's pork al pastor and some little sandwich. And they had gnocchi noodles, and there's some red pepper flakes and
20 minutes later.
okay, film me please. People are looking at us. Lactation pod. Let's go to Tampa. You're good. Warm. Ooh. Hey.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Delta Flight 1560 with service to Tampa. As you get settled, please stow smaller items under the seat in front of you. Large items in the red bin. We are expecting a completely full flight this evening, and we appreciate your cooperation and assistance with this. Once again.
Oh, thank you. Hang on, Aaron. I need to get a thumbnail picture of you real quick. Okay, I just need you to stand there and point to the two. A little down. Oh shit. Photo. Okay, I'm going, and got it. Thank you. Take care.
I don't have any, man.
I gave mine out the other day at a delayed flight today, about 60 of them.
Oh wow. All right. Thanks.
Have a good night.
Well, we're going to be on that same aircraft, so we might have better luck on the next flight. Oh. Shuttle to baggage claim. Oh dear. Oh, Michaela's going to love that. Michaela hates birds. Yay!
I got it.
Test 1, 2. On the mic. This to explain why it's important to always book the aisle seat on an aircraft. Let's go to Tampa.
My name is Amber, and I'm from Savannah, Georgia.
Savannah. Oh! And what's your Instagram?
Why not?
It's travel day. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Red Bull gives you wings. Keep it in the road. It wasn't the road, just the center. Hi, my name is Todd, and this is my second drink of the day. Hi, and I'm Aaron. This is my second drink of the day. Cracker water. Oops. It's cruise day, and this is a lightning round of the do's and don'ts of cruise ship embarkation. We're in Tampa, Florida, about to board the Margaritaville at Sea Island.
Yeah, you have your key. Yes, sir.
Oh!
On that.